Hi everyone, it is July 8th, 2014, and welcome to another Tribe Forex Power Hour. I'm going to do today what I've done for years, which is an analysis of the markets and evaluation of our biases, which are based upon the 5 p.m. Eastern Time close of our daily bars. Honestly, guys, today I don't have a tremendous amount. I would call this day an off day, if you will. It's just nothing that's extremely clear, and I like to keep my record intact for what we tend to do with these biases. I could easily call 101.54 dollar yen down to 101.36. It's not a tremendous amount of pips. There is an area of support there and a trend line that's really showing itself on this dollar yen for an area of support at about 101.32. So in that vicinity, there's probably about 20 pips you can get on that dollar yen. It's not a tremendous amount on that pair, and beyond that, guys, I don't really see that many opportunities that are clear cut. I say the same thing on the euro dollar. Euro dollar, I see it going back up to 136.25. What is that? That's 15 pips. There's not a tremendous amount of clarity here on the lower time frames or on the upper time frames. I like for the market to really tell me where it wants to go and really be at those places, those points of decision where I can make decisions here. Looking at this dollar Swiss, there could be potentially a sell at 89.50 or a buy again here at 89.18. That's all I'm seeing here. Pound dollar. Okay, so the pound dollar is pretty much in the same position. It's right in the middle of its area of support and resistance. Like I said, we said 7100 for a buy, 7166 for a sell, and it went down to 7084 off that 7100, but came all the way back up and ended up closing at 7129. So there's about 30 pips there, 16 pips maximum adverse excursion. We did well on that trade if you took that trade. It looked like it wanted to continue down, but it just didn't. It stayed within the channel. So, okay, what I'll do is I'll call a consolidation bias on the pound dollar here, basically calling us a 1.7166 sell. Yeah, and a 1.7100 buy. Okay, so we're off of 1.7100. So I'm going to play the consolidation. It looks like price wants to go up from where it currently is, 1.7127 to 1.7166. So, you could potentially go after those 39 pips that are hanging out there on the pound dollar. And I think that's maybe the clearest thing that we've got. So the pound dollar buy potentially looks more or less solid. Dollar yen looks like it wants to be a sell down to 101.36, as I said before. Aussie dollar looks like it wants to buy from current levels. Euro yen I'm not quite sure on that one. I'm not going to call anything on that, even in hesitation. Pound yen is very close to an area of support at 173.71. So I'm going to, just look how the market, watch how the market plays this pound yen. New Zealand dollar, also consolidation play. So I think that there could be a sell off of 0.8800 as it is in consolidation. The dollar CAD, we thought there was going to be a sell on it. It did sell, but it didn't sell to the degree that we expected it to sell off of here in this consolidation. I'm going to wait and see what happens here with this dollar CAD. So, I said that there were no calls for me, but I guess there are. They're just not. They're very tentative, and for that reason, I'm not going to do an awful lot of trading. I may trade that pound dollar. Looking at it now, there's an opportunity there potentially. Yeah, I think the pound dollar is going to be the pair that I'm going to look at. Now, if the dollar yen moves up to 101.63 first, I can see a potential sell off of 101.63. That may be a halfway decent trade there. Yeah, guys, I'm really tentative on the day. I really want to see how the market really unfolds in the trades that we do have and the opportunities that we have had. And so I think I'm going to wait it out today for the most part. If you feel like you have to, you're itching for a trade, look at that pound dollar, because I think it's got a very defined, has a defined area of support and resistance and a defined consolidation, or it's defining itself in that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, which have stayed within the consolidation zone. We could look for more of that, just because we're expecting some pound dollar news that should be coming out for the rest of the week. Wednesday and Thursday, we should be looking at pound dollar news. So we may have a consolidation play tomorrow and then potentially a breakout. Let's see how the news goes on Thursday or so. So, you know, we've got to play it by ear. I'm going to be looking for, you know, price action to stay in this consolidation on the pound dollar. So play consolidation on the pound dollar. I think that's all I got. I don't have a tremendous amount, guys. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Perhaps there will be more opportunities that are apparent opportunities, I should say, for us going forward. With that, happy trading. I'll see you in the next session. All the best.